Now that I've been using this R-Place pan for quite some time now, I feel like I can really show you all of the features that'll make you want to start using it too. First off, the inside of the pan has this coating-free titanium cooking surface, which is actually some patented technology. Very different from many of the other traditional non-stick coatings on pans that I've used before. The pan is also made with titanium, aluminum, and stainless steel, which helps provide fast and even heating across the entire pan. It doesn't matter where my burner is. I also love that it's metal utensil safe, it's dishwasher safe, and you could even put it in an oven up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can pretty much use it for anything. It comes with this really nice clear lid, and with its own metal utensil and this really clever spot where I can just rest the utensil right here even while I'm cooking. I love this pan. It's really great for busy moms, home cooks, and it can handle everything from eggs to pancakes to searing meat and even finish dishes in the oven. Overall, this is a great option if you want a high-performance, everyday pan that has this great non-stick material, is durable, easy to clean, and definitely my favorite pan to use while I'm cooking. Highly recommend.